Spiderman, Spiderman, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out, here comes the Spider-Man.
Hey y'all, here's the Papaw. This here video is about the PSMC's Spider-Man theme. This theme hasn't had much attention these past couple of years, so I decided it was time to bring it more up to date and make sure everything is working with the newer versions of PSMC and Kodi. As with most of my themes with home screen animations, they can be toggled off in the theme settings, but they are on by default when you first install it. As with your movies, TV shows, live TV, music sections, you're going to have multiple views to choose from. And then once you choose a view, you may even have more options available for that particular view. As you see here, this view is called Showcase. Like many of the other themes I offer, it includes what's called an open case mod. This is where the CD cases will open and the CD will roll into the case. Or if it's a movie set, it may open like a booklet showing the 2 or 3 CDs within that set. You can also enable and disable views with the little gear that's at the bottom. You really only need to worry about that if you're having any performance issues on old, low-performance devices like old Raspberry Pis or old Android TV boxes. As far as the widgets, you can have up to 2 widgets for each menu item.
He wrote all those letters to Kevin, praising himself to high heaven. Do you see what he's done?
When you go into the skin settings, you have much to choose from in there. Adding widgets or customizing widgets. You can turn on and off the top menu bar, and you can also choose what you wish to display in the top menu bar. For example, how many movies you have in your collection, or how many songs you have in your collection. You can move the menu bar from the bottom up to the center of the screen. You can pick from your colors. You can even turn on some falling leaves or snow. Installing additional add-ons that will give the theme even more features. Well, that's about it for me in this video. I hope y'all like and subscribe. If you do like what I do and the themes I create, buy me a cup of coffee. Or even better yet, become a member. And then you'll gain access to all the work that I do. And y'all have a great day.